Have you ever stopped to think about the laws that govern our society? Where do they come from? Why do they exist? And how do they impact our lives? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Let's start at the beginning. The concept of law has been around for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians and the Babylonians, had their own legal systems, which they used to maintain order and justice in their societies. Fast forward to medieval Europe, and we see the development of common law and civil law systems, which laid the groundwork for many of the legal systems we have today. But law isn't just a list of rules and regulations. It's a reflection of our values and beliefs, and it plays a crucial role in shaping society. One of the key concepts in law is justice, which is the principle of fairness and equality. Justice is what ensures that we are treated fairly and that our rights are protected. Speaking of rights, that's another important concept in law. Rights are the freedoms and entitlements that we have as individuals, such as the right to free speech or the right to privacy. But with rights come responsibilities, and that's where the concept of duty comes in. Duty is the obligation we have to respect the rights of others and to uphold the law. Now let's talk about the nature of law itself. Law is a social construct, which means it is created by humans to regulate human behavior. But the relationship between law and morality is a complex one. While some laws are based on moral principles, others are not. And sometimes, what is legal may not necessarily be moral, and vice versa. So, where does law come from? There are various sources of law, including constitutions, statutes, and case law. And these laws can vary significantly from one country to another. But regardless of the source, the purpose of law is to provide a framework for society, ensuring that we can live together in harmony. But law is not perfect, and there are always areas that can be improved. That's why it's important to continue to question and challenge the laws that govern us. By doing so, we can contribute to legal reform and social change, ensuring that the law reflects our values and serves the needs of society. So, in conclusion, law is a fundamental part of our society. It reflects our values, shapes our behavior, and impacts our lives in profound ways. By understanding the philosophy of law, we can better appreciate the role that law plays in our society and actively participate in the legal and political processes that shape our world. If you want to learn more about this fascinating topic, click on the link in the description to get our book, Breaking the Chains.